In this video, I will show you how to add Google reviews to Wix website. So for this, you can either import your reviews or use any kind of application provided inside your Wix platform. So you can see on the left side, we have multiple options. You can click on add elements, but you can also head over to this app sections and search in here for reviews. So let's just search in here for reviews, and once we do, you can see we have reviews on top, and you need to search for any application that is going to be allowing you to import Google reviews. So the first one is the Wix choice. I'm going to be going with this. Install this application onto your site. It will be asking you for some permissions and stuff. I'm going to be clicking on agree. So just hold on a bit until it loads up, and now you can see we have this Google Reviews Pro, which is the pro version, and this will allow you to add Google reviews to your Wix website. Simply import from it, and of course that's going to be taking a long procedure, so I'm not going to be able to show step by step, but I will make a video about that if you tell me in the comments below. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.